you for calling ABC Company IT Support. My name is Aaron Custodio. How can I assist you today?
Hi, my computer has been running very slow and it needs to ever be a problem with the software. Can you help me figure out what's going on?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help you with that. A slow computer can be used by several things, whether it's software issues, a lack of resources, or something else. Let's go talk a few slips to narrow it down. First, could you tell me what operating system you are using, Windows, Mac, or something else?
I'm using Windows 10.
Thank you for that. Now, when you say the computer running is slow, does it happen when you opening a specific program, or is it happening across the entire system?
It is slow overall if it is starting up or when you try to open more than one application.
Got it. It could be a number of things, such as too many programs running at a startup, low, low disk space, or even malware slowing things down. Let's start by checking the task manager to see that what processes are running in the background. Could you please press Ctrl plus Shift plus S on keyboard to open the task manager?
Okay, I've got it now.
Great. Now, look the Under Processes tab. You'll see a list of all things running programs. Check if any of them are using up a lot of CPU or memory, especially if the percentage is over 80%, let me know what you see.
It looks like there are a lot of macro processes running and one of them is using over 90% of the CPU.
That's likely the culprit. Some some programs tend to use more resources than necessary, and that can slow down your entire system. The next step is to disable unnecessary startup programs and free up resources. Let, let's click on the Startup tab in Task Manager. There, you can see what programs are set to run when your computer starts. Let disable anything does not need to start automatically.
Okay, I've disabled a few things. It looks better now.
Awesome. Now, let's run a disk cleanup to free up some space. Please go to the Start menu and type disk cleanup. Then select it from the list. Choose the drive you want to clean. Usually C drive and click OK.
I've done that. The payment is running now.
Perfect. The cleanup is done. Your system should perform better. I'd also recommended running a full antivirus scan just to make sure there's no malware affecting your performance. If you'd like, I can help you with that as well.
I'll run the scan after this. Thanks for your help.
You're very welcome. I'm glad if I could help you. If you continue to experience any issues, feel free to call us again. We're always here to assist. Have a great day and enjoy your faster computer.
Okay, thank you, Abraham.